Hi there, today I'm going to be showing you how I created these paintings. To create the cells that you'll see forming during the swipes that I'm going to do, I'm adding 1 drop of silicone oil to each of the base paint colors and giving them a quick stir. Each of the base paint colors is mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water, plus that 1 drop of silicone oil that you saw me add earlier. All the paint colors, ratios, and supplies will all be listed in the description box so you can find all the details there. I'm going to start off by creating a greenish background on 2 10 by 20 inch canvases. That's roughly 25 by 50 centimeters, and take it from there. For the swipe, I'm using ivory black paint that's mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. This paint is a thinner consistency than the paint already on the canvas, and it doesn't contain any silicone oil. For the next painting, I'm really just repeating the process and doing exactly what I just did, using all the same colors, laying them down in the same order, and swiping over them with ivory black. So I've given the paintings quite a while to dry, a few weeks, more about that in a bit, and now we're ready to apply the stencils to create the leaves. I'm experimenting with a new way of applying my stencils today, using this 4-inch high density foam roller that I bought at Home Depot. I'm adding some titanium white to this little container that I also bought from Home Depot. And I'm just trying to soak up a lot of the paint so that it's quite dry on the roller. That way you've got a better chance of applying the stencil nice and neatly without paint getting underneath the stencil and smudging. Okay, let's give it a try. There we go, a bit slow, but it seems to be working. I've just slid these pieces of paper under the stencil a little bit to prevent accidentally getting paint in those areas. Let's set that one aside and work on the next one. As I'm getting the hang of this, I've got a bit more paint on the roller and I'm also pressing down a bit harder than I was before. So it's going a lot quicker this time. As I mentioned earlier, I like my paintings to be quite dry, as in a few weeks dry, before I embellish them. That way, if I need to fix any mistakes, I can easily wipe them off the canvas using a damp cloth and not have to worry about the paint below also coming off. Alright, enough chatting. Let's see what they look like. So my initial reaction is it looks quite busy from close up. But I think from a bit further away, they actually don't look too bad. I'd love to know what you think. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.